Hi guys, so today's goal is to analyze writing to identify if it is clear and coherent writing to develop a piece appropriate to the task, purpose, and audience. So what are some things that you notice in your writing compared to the model given yesterday? Think about that. What are some differences? What are some things that you can improve on? Or what were some of the highlights, things that you think you did really well on? As you think about them, I want you to think about here are the things that you must have as you start your rewrite of your model writing of your on demand. One, you must have an introduction with an opinion statement. Okay, your introduction should not be your opinion statement. It should develop on the idea. So start with a general statement, answer the question asked, and give the reasons to support your opinion. Okay. Then have body paragraphs, and each should focus on a reason given in your opinion statement. Then you should have a conclusion. The conclusion should use the idea of summarizing your body paragraphs and mirroring the introduction. So some of the things that you already said in the introduction can be restated or said in different words in the conclusion to end it, but make sure that you're paraphrasing from the body paragraphs as well. Make sure that as you start writing that you will reread the passage and look at the poster. Use the references from the poster and the reading. If you only use one, you cannot earn a 4. So you need to look at both and try to get them by quoting the image or how it looks like. A lot of you guys did not quote the poster, so I want to make sure that you do that. Make sure that you cite your evidence from both, like saying in the article, or in the flyer, we noticed, or I noticed. Now, then you'll submit your essay. You'll have 2 days to complete this. So you will have day 1 and day 2, and on day 2 you will submit. I want to make sure that you guys realize that as you do this, you have the passage here. I'm going to make it visible for you, but you have the passage that was given for your on-demand day as well as the flyer. So as you look at this and you look at the rubric, which you had some time to look at yesterday, rewrite your answer to the question in opinion form in a full essay. That means introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. So after reading the article and looking at the poster, write an opinion essay showing what are the most important reasons for students to participate in a physical activity program at school. So you're writing about why or what are the most important reasons for students to participate in a physical activity program at school. They're not asking you whether or not you think it's good that they participate, right? Or are they? They're not really. They're asking you what are the most important. So you're going to say, in my opinion, the most important reasons for students participating in physical activity programs at school are. So you need to make sure that you are really tying that up. They're not asking you for your opinion on whether or not it's good to exercise. They're asking you, what is your opinion on the reasons for it? What are the things that you consider good, or what are the things that you consider that are most beneficial or important to them, that you would rank them as the first, second, and third most strong things to do? So, in your opinion. So make sure that you answer the question carefully and that you take your time. You have 2 days to write a really good essay. Proofread before you submit. Make sure that as you finish, your teacher will give you some time to rate yourself. You will actually rate yourself and grade yourself at the end using this rubric. Your teacher won't until after. She will use a different font color to give you the final grade, but you can actually type in these boxes and give yourself a grade for what you think you've earned. So make sure that you take your time and that you use all your strategies.